Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you. Do you hear
I'm gonna
me?
share. Yeah, I'm gonna share my screen.
Okay, let me tell you something about it. Do you know how to do cold mail?
Yes, I do.
Okay, because I just saw you are using lame list, right? Right?
Yes, correct.
But can you please tell me why lame list? Because now it good. This time is in the market. The top tool is Instantly, Smartlead, People.ai.
Oh, I see. I just want to test it out. And then see. I don't mind testing both instantly and Lemlist.
Yeah, because Lemlist is a bit old right now, so most
Mm-hmm.
of the people don't use Lemlist. So that's why I just asked. And if you need any kind
I
of help,
see.
and I am just seeing you are using Google Workspace, right?
Yes.
Directly from Google, right?
Yes.
There they will cut you 7.20 cent, $7.20 per month, right?
Yes.
But you can buy it from reseller. So then it will cost you like only $4 per month. You can save some
Oh,
money here. Okay, so
okay.
there is the option. So how many email you want? Only three.
Only three for now.
Oh, okay. Then you can go with that. Okay, share your screen and give me the GoDaddy access.
Okay. Let's see. Where is the GoDaddy? Entire screen share. Yeah, I think I want to test out Lemless and Instantly and then just check on the result.
And if you want a proper cold mail, like help, like managing your campaign to lead sourcing, you can tell me. I have a cold mail agency. Okay, so I can help you with that.
Oh, that'll be great. Yes.
Like
So I am
we can start
inside.
a like monthly management with you, and I can handle your all cold mail work. And you can just, if any people join in the meeting or book call on your calendar, you can just join the call.
Okay. Okay, sounds good.
Yeah.
Um, what was I gonna say? You just need to get to the domain, right?
Yes.
Okay. I gave you access to the now. Are you able to log in with it?
No, no. I just need a delegate access. Okay. Give me a remote control request here. Yep.
Let me find it first. Hold on. Because I have a lot of domain name. So let me just find the correct one first. Um,
On the Zoom chat box, I send you a link. Okay. Check that and uh, check that link and give me the delegate access request. I am coming. Give me 1 minute. I have a issue. I am coming.
hold on. I can't find my, what the heck? I can't find, oh, right there. Manage. Where is it? How come I can't click on managing it? Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Hey, how do I get back to the chat? Invite to access.
I'm sorry, I have a mic issue. So you can give me the delegate access, okay, from my email, and I can use your domain.
Which one? Request access. This one, invite to access, right?
Yes.
And what is your name?
I send you the email on the chat.
I don't even know what happened to the chat. No. And then how do I give you access for that specific?
Click on the product domain and purchase. First one, yes. Now invite. Click on invite. Right section invite, yes. Then I believe it will become on my email. Wait a minute, let me see.
Right, but how do I give you that specific domain only?
You maybe it will be not on the specific domain. I can see your domains, so I don't think it will take a lot of time to set one domain. So after maybe working with you, you can remove me from your account.
Sure. It's just that I'm not the only owner for those domains, so how long is this gonna take? Can I just stay on the call with you then?
No, maybe it will take approximately 1 2 hour, and after that, when I deliver the order on the fiber, then you can remove me, no problem.
Can you, because you don't know which domain I want.
You just you can copy and paste it on the Zoom chat box, and I can take that domain from your account. I am in your account.
I told you, right? The reason why I have too many domain on there, it's really confusing, and I don't own all the domains. So
I
ideally, I
understand,
would
like,
like to give you specific domain to work on.
okay, I understand, like, you just tell me which domain you want, just copy the domain name and send me. I will find it and I will work on that domain.
It's really confusing. I'm annoyed because I told you from the beginning. I said the reason why is because there's too many domain and I need you to just work on specific ones. So why don't you, I know there's a way to do it. So do you know how to get, to the specific one?
Okay, again, refresh it. Let me find it. Refresh it. Okay, scroll down.
No, that's not you. Yeah, I'm just understand from my point of view, please.
Yes, that one. Edit. Is there any way? Domains and find that domain. Find that domain and send the maybe you will find the access.
Yeah, domain only edit, and then okay, give me 15 minutes. I'll add that domain in there.
Can you please send me the domain name, please? Which domain you want to work?
Um,
I think you want to work with buzzybooth.com, right?
no, because
You,
the
you, I send you a domain name on the chat box, Zoom chat. Can you please check this domain you want to work, because you create the
Yes.
email.
Yes, it is that one, correct. It's just that there's so many different variation on there that I don't want to make any mistake, and I worry about that a
Yes,
lot.
already you don't need to worry. You already create the like email on this domain. So I will find this domain. It will take maybe max 1 hour. Okay, and after that it will be not 1 hour. It will be max taking like 30 minutes, and after that I will deliver it to on the Fiverr, and I will upload all the email to your sending to Slim list. Okay,
And make sure the DMARC and
everything will
everything.
be perfect. Everything will be
All right.
perfect.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.